Guys, why didn't you tell me you were eloping?
Cause it just sort of happened. You know, we were at the courthouse, we were having lunch.
Wait, why were you at the courthouse?
We were having lunch.
Be miserable. I'm telling you, once I got her into a dry pair of shoes, she was a totally different person.
Ross, come quickly. There's a deer just outside eating fruit from the orchard.
I gotta go. There's a deer just outside eating fruit from the orchard.
You had to go. There was a deer just outside eating fruit from the orchard.
Oh my God, that is so good.
I'm full. And yet I know if I stop eating this, I'll regret it.
Hey, what do you got there?
I can't believe I did this. What an idiot.
Oh, stop beating yourself up. People make mistakes. These things happen.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word eating. It means the act of a person or thing that eats. Also means food with reference to its quality or tastiness when eaten. This fish is delicious eating. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce eating, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to E. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how eating is used in real life.
Are you eating the cheesecake without me?
You had to go. There was a deer just outside eating fruit from the orchard. We'd be eating our soup right now.
What?
Oh, sure it does. In high school, you weren't jealous at all, even though all your girlfriends were cheating on you.
All right, so up until 92, 93, he was very trusting. Then 94 hit, Carol left him, and bam, paranoid city.
And maybe we start eating out of Joey's refrigerator for a change.
Damn it! Don't go back to repeating.
I just can't see Chandler cheating.
Limited seating? I am just one tiny person.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.